Hi, it's Weston back again with another video, and today Chance and I got up super early in the morning and we drove out to yet another waterfall so that we could get some photos. So, taking you on our photo journey for the day, we've got some Sonys, we've got some tripods, someone forgot the drone. Hey! Other than that, it's been a good day so far, and got my tripod all set up. I'm gonna show you guys how I get a super epic waterfall shot with all the flowiness. So if you want to try doing this, just follow my settings. I like to use a fixed ND for this, so I use this ND 400 filter screwed onto the lens. I don't like using my variable NDs. I'm having a hard time screwing this on. Come on, get it on there. There you go. I don't like using variable NDs when doing long exposure shots like this, because when you max them out, they have this Xing problem and they don't always look great for stuff like this. So we're using a fixed ND and we're going to put it on the tripod. I have the tripod set up as far forward as I possibly can so I can get as much foreground as I can. We do have a 55mm f1.8 Sony Zeiss lens on there right now. The waterfall's pretty far out there. We're gonna turn that on. Get the composition. This is looking pretty good. Check level, everything's level. This looks nice. So, I have it at a 10-second exposure right now, and ISO is at 320. I have the aperture at f14, so we get everything nice and in focus. And I have it on a 2-second shutter delay, so the camera won't shake when it takes a picture, because if you don't have that delay on and you hit that button, there's going to be that little wiggle at the beginning of your exposure, and that's not good. So it's currently taking the exposure. Now come on over here and look at this. It just finished. Check that out.
Oh, that's nice.
Already, first photo of the day. Looking good.
Yeah.
We are almost done at this location that we were shooting the waterfall at. We did a little bit of hiking, a little bit of walking around, but we came down here to the river, and I wanted to get a really special shot. I don't know if it's gonna look good. We're gonna give it a try. So, I have my camera all set up right here. All we gotta do now is hit the button. And we're off. So, we have a 6-second exposure at f1.8, looking out at that rock over there. And there it is. And we have the 55mm lens on here. And this looks really good. Here's the final image. as as that was finishing up, I thought of one more spot that's actually right behind you that I want to shoot real quick. We're gonna finish up our last shot for the location. I saw this little log that's sticking out into the water over here. I want to get this. We're gonna go into Bend and grab something to eat for lunch, and then we're going to decide where we're going for our next location of the day. Ended up running out of time for another location. We've got to get back to our houses to deal with other stuff. We had a little too much fun at Olive Garden, but we will be getting to this next location soon. We were trying to hit a river along Highway 20, shoot some rocks and river stuff, as we do, but ran out of time, so you can check out these shots that we shot early this morning on our drive over to the waterfall. They're pretty cool. Here's a few of them now, and I will see you in the next video.